So now that our trees are placed, we could actually add leaves to them. So you can choose a color that you think would be good for the leaves on the trees. And at first this will look like I'm scribbling. But actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the crayon around and make a shape with it. So I'm gonna do it where I overlap it here. I'm gonna overlap the shape there. I think this is why some people draw a rectangle and put a circle on top, because if I look, the more of this I add, it seems to be making this big round shape as the leaves overlap together. So at first I'm scribbling, but I'm really scribbling with a purpose. I'm moving the crayon around, making marks, but as I overlap those marks, it creates that big shape of the leaves on the tree. So then I want to think about more of the things happening in the story. This is our setting. So the setting is where the story happens. So we definitely have the woods. We have a lot of trees. We could add some bushes and things later, make it look even more like the woods. But now what I want to think about is in this story, what was happening is Little Red Riding Hood was traveling through the woods on a path. So I want to make it look like there's a path in the woods. So I'm going to draw one side of the path using a different color. But then I want it to look like she's actually walking to where she could go far away. So I want to make this end of the path little, and I want to make this end of the path big, just like I did the trees. Close is bigger, far away is smaller. So when I come down here, I have to make the path get bigger as I draw that line. Then I'm going to use the side of the crayon so it stays light, and I'm going to fill in the color to be the path. All right, so you guys are working on yours. I'm working on mine. So I might even add some little bushes and things on the ground to look even more like the woods. Ones that are closer should seem bigger. Ones that are far away should seem smaller. Then we need to look at, once our setting is done, how would we add our characters?